Did you know that there are 35,584 one-man businesses in the U.S., bringing in at least $1 million in annual revenue per year? This opportunity is so big, it's actually becoming the largest employment trend in the past 5 years. And that's according to Elaine Pofeld, the author of the fascinating book called The $1 Million One-Person Business. Now, there are a lot of different types of businesses making 7 figures per year, but there are a couple types that are special. They don't require any startup capital, you don't need investors, and you can start them within the next week. I put together a free mini course showing exactly what these businesses are and how you can get started regardless of where you are today. So if you want to be able to quit your job and build a successful business, click the link below, enter your information, and check out the free mini course now. I'll see you there!